Hello, everybody. How are you? Thank you so much for being here. I am doing the next in line for the kitchen, everything but the kitchen sink, otherwise known as a scrap get and pour. So I have these colors. I love these colors. I don't have my regular 18 by 24 inch canvas that I've been making them on, so I have a 20 inch canvas here. But I also don't know if I want to swipe with white or swipe with black on this one. But I am going to kind of just swirl them on the canvas the way that I've been doing. And I have pearl red, violet, and yellow to go with this one. So I'm super excited. It's going to be a little bit different working on a square canvas this time. I actually haven't done one of these kind of kitchen sink pours on a square canvas yet, believe it or not. So let's see if the design looks any different this way. Let's paint. Okay, so I have the most color with my purple and with my magenta. So I will let all of that pour out. I'll come in with my magenta next. Oh, I should have saved a little bit of purple for the top. Maybe there'll be a little bit left in there. Save just a tiny bit of the magenta for the top. I really am slim pickings on these colors here. The most of it's going to be pearl colors, it seems. Oh, this orange is so pretty. And then just the tiniest little bit of red through here. The rest of this is going to be pearl. Okay, I don't want to do too much in one area. I feel like this needed a color down there. This one's going to be a lot of pearls. Okay. Trying to get it along the edges a little bit so that I can cover the canvas well. Okay, now I need to come back in and see if there's any color because I want some of the color to come through. Oh yeah, I've got some yellow. I want some of the color to come through. Gosh, and I wonder if I can use enough reserve to not swirly cue through it. I don't know. I'll have to take a look at what the design looks like. You can tell what the design is going to look like a little bit before you stretch it out, or, you know, after you've swiped through it, but before you stretch it out. Okay, now here's my beautiful bright red. I'm just coming over the layers of the pearls again. And it really just takes the tiniest little bit of paint to do so. These are like little ribbon pours. This is actually kind of cool. I'm liking this. All right, my purple. Do I have any more purple left? My last little color here. And I still don't know, y'all, what am I gonna do? Oh, I wanted to connect some of those. What am I going to do with the swipe? Am I going to swipe with black or white? I don't know. Oh my goodness. I'm making fun of myself. Okay. What do I do? I feel like black would lend itself really pretty to this one, but I feel like white would too. Maybe I'll do one of each and see. I think I did that on, I think maybe the green one that I did. One of them, the purple or the green, I swiped with black on one side and white on the other side. So I am going to go up through here like this. Let's just see what the black one looks like. Oh, that is, I think I might do them, but maybe, hear me out. I'll do this one with all black, and then I'll make another one with all white. How about that, okay? How about them apples? My husband watches my videos, and he laughs at how indecisive I am. Oh, and I can't help it. I mean, I can't help it, but... All right. Yes, I like this. I'm going to stick with... Oh, do I do it with... No, I'm sticking. No. No. I will do an entirely new one. I release videos every Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. and every Sunday at 11 a.m. So make sure to tune back in at those times because YouTube does not always tell you when my video is out. I have people all the time that say that their settings for getting a notification got changed. Ooh, I almost dripped that. All right. Okay, I think I'm going to come in. Ooh, I see a little something that is right there. That was not a little something. Okay, I'm just dripping everywhere. Let me go here. Okay. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I don't like that part, but that'll come off the end. I'm going to stretch it out first without wrecking any of the parts in the center because I actually really like it just the way it is. Because I did so many small lines of color through here, I just really like it how it is. I'm going to try to get that off the side. That was just where my black activator got a little bit caught. These pearl colors, I think, are going to show up really pretty too. All right, let's stretch this out to this side. Keep that. Stretch it back on down. Try to keep that little corner of pearl colors. Get that part off the side. Back up. I love that the river of colors in the middle goes all the way through. Oh, yes. Now get my design back down. Okay, now it goes all the way through there, but I feel like I don't like it in the center to be this way. I don't know, y'all. What do I do? I just mean when I say that it's not that I don't like it at all. I love this painting, but I'm trying to figure out if I want to keep this or drag some of these parts off the side. But if I drag it off the side, I will mess up these cells that are here, the lacing that's here. Okay, when I don't know, I fiddle with other parts. I love this part here. Okay, what do I do here? I'm just bringing some of the design back into these pearl parts here. What do I do? I'm trying not to disrupt the pattern. But at the same time, like I swooshed that one on up, I'm trying to continue the motion here. And I wonder if I just... Okay. The fiddler in me wants to keep going, but I'm going to stop. I'll show you. Okay, so quite a few things. I love the black swipe, and it actually really took on a lot of the colors, but it added just enough contrast that the lacing really stands out. Second thing, I love the small, tiny lines in this one. I don't know yet. I'm going to let it dry to see if I like the composition, but I walked around the table, looked at it a few times, and I do feel like I'm glad I left it. I could have fiddled for hours. But there we go. That corner up there is going to be so pretty. It's going to be pearl, like metallic. Love that little swoosh area there. And again, this has quickly become one of my favorite color combinations. All right, let's see how it dries. I will admit I'm really happy I left the center the way I did on this one. At first I thought, ooh, I wanted to pull those little sections, this section here off the side and this section here off the side, but wow, I feel like it just makes a statement being in the center. I feel like you're like looking up through caves at sunlight. It's very, very pretty to me. The colors I love. Now, let me know if you want me to try this color scheme again, but swiping with white. I do like the black though. But if you want to see a comparison video, I, of course, will use these colors again. The pearl showed up so beautiful. It's so layered in the middle. I love doing the tiny little ring pours there. And just the tiny little bit of detail of swirls that I added. I added that swirl down there, that one right there, and those up through there, and that ended up getting like multicolor. But I am very happy with it. Love the color scheme. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I hope that everybody's enjoying these. So this was the Sunset kitchen sink with a black swipe. Let me know if there's any other color combinations you want to see. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Happy painting. Bye.